Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, the emotional roller coaster of chasing a specific person. You might find yourself fixated on someone, believing that they are the key to your happiness. But what does this really mean? Chasing a specific person often leads to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and even heartbreak. It can create an unhealthy attachment that drains your emotional energy, leaving you feeling unfulfilled and desperate for their attention. Now, let's take a step back and consider the universe's role in manifesting our desires. Many people overlook the fact that the universe has its own timing and plans for us. When we focus too much on one individual, we may inadvertently block other potential connections that could bring us joy and fulfillment. Understanding this concept is crucial for shifting our mindset from desperation to attraction. In this video, we will explore how to attract love without the weight of desperation. We'll discuss practical strategies to help you shift your focus from chasing to allowing. By embracing a mindset of abundance and self-love, you can open yourself up to new possibilities and healthier relationships. So if you're ready to learn how to let go of that specific person and invite genuine love into your life, stay tuned. Chasing a specific person in the context of relationships and manifestation refers to the intense pursuit of someone you believe will fulfill your emotional needs or desires. This often manifests as constant texting, seeking their attention, or obsessively thinking about them. While it's natural to feel drawn to someone, excessive chasing can lead to unhealthy dynamics and emotional turmoil. The psychological effects of pursuing someone excessively can be profound. It can create feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and even depression when your efforts are not reciprocated. This relentless pursuit often stems from a fear of rejection or a belief that your happiness is tied to that individual. As a result, you may find yourself in a cycle of longing and disappointment, which can take a toll on your self-esteem and overall well-being. Moreover, chasing can create resistance in attracting love. When you focus all your energy on one person, you may inadvertently push them away. This is because desperation can be sensed, and it often repels rather than attracts. The universe responds to your energy. If you are in a state of lack or neediness, it can block the flow of positive connections. Instead of drawing love towards you, chasing creates barriers that prevent genuine relationships from forming. Understanding these implications is the first step toward shifting your approach and inviting healthier, more fulfilling connections into your life. At the heart of the law of attraction is the principle that the universe responds to your beliefs and feelings. This means that whatever energy you put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will be reflected back to you. When it comes to relationships, this principle is particularly relevant. If you believe that love is abundant and that you deserve a fulfilling partnership, you are more likely to attract those experiences into your life. Conversely, if you are consumed by doubt or fear of rejection, you may find yourself in a cycle of unfulfilling connections. One powerful way to shift your mindset is through positive affirmations. By consciously affirming your worthiness of love and happiness, you can reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, repeating phrases like "I am deserving of love" or "I'd attract healthy relationships" can help cultivate a more positive outlook. This shift in mindset not only enhances your self-esteem, but also aligns your energy with what you truly desire. It's essential to understand that the universe reflects your inner state back to you. If you are radiating confidence and positivity, you are more likely to attract similar energies from others. On the other hand, if you are stuck in a mindset of lack or desperation, that is what you will continue to experience. By embracing the law of attraction and focusing on positive beliefs, you can create a magnetic energy that draws love and fulfilling relationships into your life. Releasing attachment to a specific person is a crucial step in the manifestation process. When we cling to someone, we often create an energetic block that prevents us from attracting the love and happiness we truly desire. Detachment allows us to open our hearts and minds to new possibilities, making space for healthier relationships to enter our lives. By letting go, we shift our focus from desperation to abundance, aligning ourselves with the positive energies of the universe. There are several effective techniques for letting go of attachment. One powerful method is meditation. Taking time to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self can help you gain clarity and perspective. During meditation, Visualize yourself surrounded by love and light, releasing any negative emotions tied to that specific person. Another technique is visualization. Imagine your ideal relationship, focusing on the feelings of joy and fulfillment it brings you rather than fixating on one individual. Additionally, it's essential to prioritize self-love and personal growth. Engage in activities that nourish your soul, whether it's pursuing a new hobby, spending time with friends, or practicing self-care. By investing in yourself, you not only boost your self-esteem, but also create a magnetic energy that attracts positive relationships. Remember, the more you love and appreciate yourself, the less you will feel the need to chase after someone else. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and watch as the universe responds to your newfound sense of freedom and self-worth. Investing in your own personal development is one of the most empowering steps you can take, especially when it comes to attracting healthy relationships. When you prioritize self-improvement, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also elevate your magnetic energy, making you more appealing to potential partners. Healthy relationships are built on a foundation of self-awareness and confidence, and the journey of self-improvement is key to achieving that. There are numerous activities you can engage in to foster personal growth. Journaling is a fantastic way to reflect on your thoughts and feelings, helping you gain clarity about what you truly want in a relationship. It allows you to process emotions and set intentions for your future. Exercise is another powerful tool. Not only does it improve your physical health, but it also boosts your mood and self-esteem. Whether it's yoga, running, or dancing, find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Pursuing hobbies is equally important. Engaging in activities that ignite your passion can lead to personal fulfillment and joy. This not only enriches your life, but also makes you more interesting to others. Remember, self-love is the cornerstone of attracting the right kind of love. When you invest in yourself and cultivate a positive self-image, you radiate an energy that naturally draws healthy relationships into your life. Embrace this journey of self-improvement and watch how it transforms your connections with others. Manifesting love without the need to chase is not only possible, but can also be incredibly fulfilling. The key lies in shifting your focus from desperation to attraction. One effective method to attract the right partner is through visualization techniques. Take a few moments each day to close your eyes and imagine your ideal relationship. Picture the qualities you desire in a partner and the experiences you want to share together. Feel the emotions associated with this vision: joy, love, and connection. By vividly imagining this scenario, you send a clear message to the universe about what you want, aligning your energy with your desires. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial in this process. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality, so it's essential to cultivate an optimistic outlook. Surround yourself with positivity, whether through uplifting content, supportive friends, or affirmations that reinforce your worthiness of love. When you radiate positivity, you attract similar energies, making it easier to connect with the right people. Lastly, trust the timing of the universe. It's easy to feel impatient when waiting for love to arrive, but remember that everything happens for a reason. The universe has its own timeline, and sometimes the right person comes into your life when you least expect it. By letting go of the need to chase and embracing the journey, you create space for genuine connections to flourish. Trust that love will find you when you are ready, and focus on enjoying the process of becoming your best self. Inspiring stories of individuals who stopped chasing and found love can serve as powerful reminders of the possibilities that await us. Take Sarah, for example. For years, she was fixated on a specific person, pouring her energy into trying to win their affection. After realizing that this approach was draining her emotionally, she decided to shift her focus inward. Sarah began practicing self-love, engaging in hobbies she enjoyed, and surrounding herself with supportive friends. Within months, she met someone who appreciated her for who she truly was, leading to a fulfilling and loving relationship. Another remarkable story is that of Mark. He had always chased after women who seemed out of reach, believing that their validation would bring him happiness. After attending a personal development workshop, Mark learned the importance of detachment and self-improvement. He started journaling his thoughts and feelings, which helped him gain clarity about what he truly wanted in a partner. By focusing on his own growth and maintaining a positive mindset, Mark eventually attracted a partner who shared his values and passions, resulting in a deep and meaningful connection. These stories highlight the transformative power of letting go and embracing self-discovery. If Sarah and Mark can find love by changing their approach, so can you. Remember, the journey to love begins with you. By investing in yourself and trusting the process, you open the door to endless possibilities in your own life. Embrace the potential for change, and you may just find the love you've been seeking. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's essential to recap the key points we've explored about manifesting love without chasing. We've highlighted the importance of letting go and trusting the universe. When you release attachment to a specific person, you create space for new and fulfilling connections to enter your life. Trusting that the universe has a plan for you could alleviate the pressure and anxiety often associated with seeking love. We also delved into the transformative power of self-love and personal growth. By investing in yourself, whether through journaling, pursuing hobbies, or engaging in self-care, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also elevate your magnetic energy. This positive energy attracts healthier relationships and aligns you with the love you truly deserve. If you found value in today's video, I encourage you to engage with our community. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on relationships and personal development. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these ideas. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of love and self-discovery. Remember, the journey to finding love starts with you, and by embracing these principles, you can create a life filled with joy and meaningful connections. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.